Friends, this is a total reality channel. Do like, share, and subscribe and enjoy auspicious, unknown, and unbelievable facts of Hindu gods and goddess facts which are very unknown to this world. You can only listen and see here only in this YouTube channel, which name is Total Reality. I am Himanshu and welcome you all. Jai Mata Di. And once again, welcome you all in this channel. Today, I will reveal you the unknown facts which are related to Lord Ganesha's body. As I can say in summary wise that you can take much benefit. You can learn much more traits and habits which are very beneficial for you progress in your life. So these are as follows. As you already know that Lord Ganesha is a very special deity in the Hindu tradition. I am starting this video and starting with the significance of Lord Ganesha. So in this story we already worship as Indians Lord Ganesha to attain success in our endeavors. Also, in order to appease any god, we first offer prayers to Lord Ganesha and then proceed with the other deities worship, with an objective of highlighting key leadership traits which a corporate person should have. I have taken the symbolic meaning of Lord Ganesha's body image and come up with a few lessons that help us become a successful corporate person. Lord Ganesha, my first point is Lord Ganesha is bestowed with the special body with the head of an elephant and remaining parts of human body, symbolizes certain qualities that a strategic person who is working in a corporate sector must possess, or a person as a layman or a corporate sector must have. Every part of the body of Lord Ganesha has its own significance. Here is the complete list. So first is head. So head. The brain of the elephant is heavier than a man's and it has more complex folds than all animals except whales. They show grief, humor, compassion, cooperation, self-awareness, tool use, playfulness, and excellent learning abilities. So the elephant's head represent emotional intelligence. Elephants have a delicate head. Their brain is protected by two cranium humps over their foreheads. So unlike other animals, they avoid headbutts. This is an indication that a corporate person or a layman or a common man should not indulge in conflicts when provoked by the others. See, you need to ignore that people who always provoke you, who always pinch you, ping you up and bully you. You have to remain set aside from there. So this is the first lesson we can learn from Ganesha's body, Lord Ganesha's body. Second point is that stay focused and avoid unnecessary confrontations. Avoid this thing. So, Ganeshji's ears symbolize listening skills. So, elephant ear makes an ideal combination for a strategic person, for a corporate person, or a common man. That he needs to listen everything with the calm mind. The positioning of tongue is far behind the trunk, and the tongue is almost invisible in an elephant's body, meaning that a strategic leader should keep his tongue in check. An elephant listens more and listens better with its large and sensitive ears, indicating a true person, a true individual, a true corporate person should pay detailed attention from everything, whether it's his or her superior or a subordinate or a colleague or you can say a guard. You need to listen everyone. You can do it as your own way, but you have to listen every. Keep an eye on your brand reputation. Yes, of course. Elephants are very tactile in nature. They use their trunks to stroke, touch, care, explore, slap, or block in defense or domination in situations. The trunk is so sensitive to touch and it's capable of perceiving pressure differences as light as 0.25 mm in depth, which is equivalent to a light brush against the skin. A successful person is one who is sensitive towards surrounding and possesses contextual intelligence to respond to the key changes. The next point we can easily understand or learn from Ganeshji's body is possess contextual intelligence and sensitivity towards environmental changes, which are represented by Ganesha's teeth. So Ganeshji teeth indicate that keeping up appearances even when the strategic person or a corporate person understands the reality, he should avoid unnecessary objections and keeps up his appearances as he is in agreement with the other person. But such a behavior that has limit as too much of appearances give you false identity. This problem persists very much in corporate sector or a real life. This problem is very much seen, as you all friends already know. So next point, strike a balance between extrovert and introvert personality. So it is depicted by human throat. Among all animals, human beings are the best when it comes to the verbal communication. Hence, a human throat indicates the strategic person or a corporate person or a common man should have a clear communication practice, and he should present facts as they are. Don't exaggerate the facts. Speak reality, be clear, be concrete. This point reveals that thing to you. Ganesha's vehicle is mouse, and mice, you can say mice or a mouse, symbolizes logic and doubt. In Srimad Bhagavad Katha, it is said that sansyatm vinashyati, which meaning too much doubt on anyone destroy a person himself. Hence, Ganeshji is depicted sitting over a mouse without doubting his capabilities or a capacity of without doubting his powers. He is sitting on mouse without any doubt. A corporate leader must not let logic have a free rein. It should be practiced with caution within limits. The last point I must say is keep restraint over your logic. A person embodying such qualities become near and dear of the supreme God Shiv Parvati, the parents of our dear deity Ganesha ji or Ganesh ji. In other words, I can say that such quality as possessed by Lord Ganesha are must for an corporate person and must for any of the person living in this century or living in that type of world which is seen here and there in our surroundings. So that's all for now. My name is Himanshu. This is my channel Total Reality. Do like, share and subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you. Jai Mata Di. Jai Shri Ganesh.